Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trusts. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. Algorand. How the oil demand zone can give investors a breather. To start with, Algorand started to fall after Bitcoin was rejected at $39K. This came amid turmoil in global markets caused by increased fear in response to Russian actions in Eastern Europe. Some people argue that this is a buying opportunity, a big discount that could be the case, but there is a way for cryptocurrencies to dive deeper south than most people expect. On a short-term perspective, Algorand reversed $0.87 to the resistance level, with the Fibonacci extension level indicating room for a possible price bounce. Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were plotted based on the Algo move from $1.1 to 76 cents in the second week of February. The psychological $1 level has been a strong resistance level for most of this month, and a few days ago the 87 cents horizontal level also became resistance. Generally, Fibonacci retracement levels are followed to a certain extent, which indicates the possibility that the 27.2% extension level could also lead to a temporary price spike for Algo. At the time of writing, sales volume was significant and dominant. The market structure was also bearish. It was time to sell on the rebound and take profits on short positions at support levels. A few days ago MACD poked its nose above the zero line, but immediately dived sharply below the zero line in response to a surge of bearish momentum after the recent fear in the market. The directional movement index showed a strong downtrend, while the OBV confirmed that selling far exceeded buying. And to conclude with a little recap, the market structure was bearish, and the 72-76 cents area could be used to short Algorand with a target of 67 cents for short-term trades. In the long term, Algorand has also been extremely bearish, but the $0.69 area has acted as a demand zone in May, June and July 2021. The USDT dominance was also 5%, a factor whose implications are important for the long term. Investors should be aware. Also, in addition to this news, you probably heard that Algorand is getting a bridge to Ethereum. The Algorand Foundation has awarded Applied Blockchain a grant to develop the London Bridge, a trustless bridge that will connect Algorand with Ethereum. In a press release shared with CryptoSlate, the foundation said that the bridge will also enable Algorand's integration with other blockchain networks and provide a significant influx of liquidity to the growing network. Algorand's liquidity challenges are about to be solved. Despite its low latency, high scalability, and low cost of transactions, Algorand has been struggling with attracting liquidity. With the majority of DeFi and NFT projects now in the Ethereum ecosystem, it's as users have been struggling with a lack of network effect. To address this, the Algorand Foundation, a non-profit tasked with supporting the network's development, has awarded a grant to develop a bridging solution that would connect the blockchain to Ethereum. Applied Blockchain, a London-based software development company, has received the grant and will use the funding to bring the scaling solution, called the London Bridge, to market. The company is also working on several applications based on Algorand, making it a natural choice to further develop London Bridge. The company will work hand in hand with Algorand Incorporated in making London Bridge a safe, low-cost, and easy-to-use interoperability solution. In the long term, the strategy is to have all verification of the other chains to be performed within Algorand smart contracts, the foundation told CryptoSlate. To achieve this, Algorand Incorporated will incorporate state proofs in the form of compact certificates into the Algorand consensus. By working together, Applied Blockchain and Algorand Incorporated will enable London Bridge to validate both block headers and the state of other blockchains trustlessly in their respective smart contract environments. Daniel Yang of the Algorand Foundation told CryptoSlate that the partnership with Applied Blockchain will allow them to solidify a DeFi infrastructure on Algorand, which will gradually turn it into an ecosystem where decentralized finance can thrive. Introducing cross-chain efficiency to the network will provide it with a permanent transfer of TVL from Ethereum and add its low cost and transaction speed to other networks. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest Algorand, Algo, price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Algorand price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Algorand will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. Algorand price forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, Algorand, Algo prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Algorand's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Algo rate prediction 2024. The value of Algorand will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. Algo is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Algo will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Algo ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. Algo price prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Algorand will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, Algo is expected to peak at $5.88. The minimum bet could rise to $5.14 if the market turns bullish. Algo price forecast 2027. For a long-term forecast of the Algorand price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Algo will rise to around $7.67 by 2027 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2027, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.93 with a minimum price level $7.41. Algorand price prediction 2028. Algorand's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Algo could reach $13.09 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $11.36 for 2028, it could beat the last price